I've always had really thin hair for as long as I can remember, but it was probably around about 2021 when it really started to become more apparent on the top. It made us feel a lot older because I think most of the bald men you kind of seen on TV were these older guys, and there wasn't many young. People always say that I look good and I shoot it, and I think that I do, but I've always felt like I'm not ready for that yet. I just do it for necessity, because I always felt like hair was what I really wanted, because I kind of missed out on lots of years of having it. I could sit in an outdoor bar and have some cocktails.
Your new do. You ready? Mm-hmm. Cool. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. I have hair. So weird. I love the flecks of grey in it as well.
Yeah. Goes natural, and then your hairline. A nice full hairline.